Hello guys, in this video, we will talk about a free alternative to the OpenAI operator that you can use to control your browser via an AI model. It's free and supports local Ollama models as well as Google's free Gemini API. So, let's start. Search for Browser Use WebUI. Go to this repo. We are going to install it on my PC. There is a non-WebUI version, which is more complicated, so we are using the WebUI version. So, let's start. First, download this repo from GitHub as a zip file. Unzip it to a folder like I did. First, open the command prompt. Move to the folder where you unzipped it. Time to install the requirements. You should enable a virtual environment here before installing the requirements. I am not using a virtual environment as this is just a test on my old PC. So, I am using the pip command to install all requirements. Wait now. All requirements are installed. The next thing we need to do is install Playwright. This will install the Chromium browser on the PC. Copy and paste this command into the command prompt. It's done. I had some errors due to network issues, but it installed successfully. The next step is to rename .env.example to .env. Make changes to .env if needed. You can also make changes to the UI directly. Use this command to start the Browser Use WebUI. Wait now. It has started. Go to this link in a non-Chrome web browser. Done. It is working. You can check this settings. Here, we need to set the AI model. It also supports Ollama. I am using the free Gemini API. So, I am adding the API. API added. Please enable these settings here so the browser does not close after task completion. Next, you can adjust other settings like recording and more. Here is the agent option. Enter the task you want to perform here. Run the agent now. We are using this sample task of going to the OpenAI site. Chromium will open automatically now. As you can see, it is working. There is a Chrome resolution issue due to my PC screen resolution. You can adjust it in the settings of Browser Use WebUI. As you can see, it is doing its job. The task is completed. Next, let's ask it to open the latest OpenAI YouTube video. See, it is starting Chromium. Wait now. It did its job, but not exactly as we wanted. Here are the logs. It opened the latest YouTube video about OpenAI that appeared on Google. So, it's not its fault. We can improve the prompt so that it performs tasks more accurately. That's all. You can also use its new deep research feature. Thanks.